Hello YouTubers, my name is Arnold Shallu and welcome to another episode of Question Me Monday. I hope you guys are all staying at home and staying safe. It's very important, especially in this situation. The COVID cases are increasing again, so we have to take it on ourselves to stay at home and stay safe, especially till the situations improve, which it will in the near future. So till then, let's all take it on ourselves, stay home and stay safe. But while staying home, of course we can enjoy a little bit of IPL. Come on guys, IPL is one of the hundreds of festivals celebrated by each and every Indian. So what I did was, I did a little bit of research on the Indian Premier League and I went down to taking out the most Googled questions of the IPL. Let's have a look. IPL is on which channel in 2021? So from all the years which I have been watching the IPL on TV, IPL has always aired on the Star Sports network, so you will get it over there. IPL is live or no? Yes, IPL is always aired live and you will never see any taped versions of the IPL. IPL is associated with which game? Hockey. IPL was started in which year? IPL was started in the year 2008. IPL was held in. IPL for 2 seasons was held in the UAE due to difficulties. Once was, I guess, during the election time and once was due to the COVID pandemic in 2020. But rest all the seasons have been aired in India. IPL was started by the BCCI. What is the full form of IPL?
Simple as International Player Loop.
No, it's the Indian Premier League. So now we're done with all the IPL related questions. Now it's a question for you. I've got 2 ideas, 2 plans for this week on my YouTube channel. One is the types of people during IPL and the second is a dance cover. So what would you like to see on my channel this week? IPL or dance cover? What is the comment section for, guys? Write for that. Hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give it a big fat thumbs up. See you guys on my channel this week. Till then, stay home, stay safe.